Roadside service. We got a tire change in progress on the customer Jeep Cherokee. Stay tuned, it's working. So this tire is no good. They try to repair it on the sidewall, but it's leaking, so she gonna have to get another tire, y'all. So that's what we gonna go do, get another tire. Stay tuned, it's gonna work. Going on too. Tire shop. Rock and rolling in this game, man. You too. So we got a used tire from the tire shop. We're gonna put on this customer Jeep Cherokee. And this service call is done. This service call paid us $250, man. So it's always money at Roadside, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. A to Z Roadside service. Tire repair complete. Got the customer used tire. She's good to go.